Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna just use ink and one brush. Let's get started. I'm gonna paint the back of the crab. Gradients is very important when it comes to using only ink to paint. In freehand Chinese painting, we don't paint layers over layers to get the gradient. We use one stroke to paint the gradient. To achieve a broad stroke with gradient, you will have to tilt the brush and use almost the entire brush to paint. Yes, the bigger the brush or the longer the hairs, then the broader the strokes you can get. This brush that I'm using is about 3 centimeters or around 1¼ inch. It is made of wolf hair, but you may also use mixed hair. For the legs, I'm using upright strokes to paint. Here's one more tips. If you want your brush stroke to look fresh, always rinse your brush thoroughly after you run out of ink, then take new ink to paint. If you're not sure about these shades, test it on a separate piece of paper before you paint. For the claws, I simply take some dark ink to paint. These are hairy crabs. In traditional Chinese painting, we tend to paint objects with some special features. So these crabs are very popular in autumn, and that's why I'm painting it. This is right in the season, and this gives me some inspiration to paint again. Just in case you're curious, I'm not painting my tabletop. I haven't had any hairy crabs for years. They're pretty expensive. I'm now painting a vase. This is just a table set in the background, so I'm painting it with a lighter shade. If you are not sure about the shading, test it on a separate piece of paper before you paint on your painting. Gradient is a combination of the amount of ink and water in your brush and the speed of your stroke. Now I'm painting a tree branch. In fall, trees are changing colors, so I'm adding some maple leaves to go with the hairy crabs. Can you paint it with color? Absolutely. It's a personal preference. Sometimes I just like to use ink because it's easy and I like the unique look of the Chinese painting. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you next time.